Hello sweet peas and welcome to my YouTube channel Knowing an Angel. Oh my god. So hi everyone, I am super excited because finally I'm gonna get, first of all, finally I'm gonna get to announce who is the winner of the Take Me Back to Brazil palette collection. Well, not the whole collection, but some of it, which it was, I believe, the lashes, the palette, and all the cute stuff. But I'm gonna be announcing that later on in this video, so keep watching. Thank you. Okay, so I'm super excited because at the same time I wanna do another cute look. Because if you guys remember, last time I used only one of the palettes, so today I want to use the other palette to see what can we get with that. And actually I have some swatches too, so I'm going to be showing you the swatches of the both palettes because I believe last time I didn't do that. So so stay tuned, honey, because this video is going to be super cute and fun. Alright, beautifuls, as you can see, here is the beautiful collection from Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetic. And let me tell you, it's so beautiful. It looks like a whole entire like festival, honestly. Ooh, look at those colors. Nice, cute, and straight up tapping. Oh my god. And that's the palette that I used last time, as you can remember. Ooh, and talk about the glitters, honey. Talk about the glitters. They were sparkling. Oh my god, awkward. Ooh, look at that one, very punky-ish. Ooh, and the green was straight up popping for sure. So this is the first row from the swatches. Oh, this is the second row. They were very creamy, nice, cute, and super popping. This is the third row and the final one, which that was one of my favorites. And that's the highlighters and the black shadow too. Ooh, so this is the palette that I used last time that I didn't do the swatches. I did 2 rows at the same time, so the first one was the first row, this is the last 2 rows. The colors were very cute, I loved it. Ooh. Okay, now I'm gonna start this cute look, honeys, and let me tell you, it was super fun to do this. The idea of this look, it was mostly to grab a lot of different colors, the brightest ones and the cutest ones. Even though when it came to my eyes, they look very, very pastel, which I love. Look at that, it looks very like water, honey, water from the ocean. So I was using like a lot of like blue colors, orange colors, and I was going in a circle motion. So you just gotta be patient, you know, in blending, but you just wanna go in little cute circle motions, you see, and start blending it with each other. But start from the center. Beep, 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 beep. Oh my god! So as you see, I'm grabbing like different colors. Now I'm grabbing, I believe, like a cute pastel green or green edge. Ooh. And the whole idea of the whole inspiration was kind of like make my eyes like a palette, you know, of colors, you know, like random colors, because I wanted to use a lot of different colors so you get to appreciate and really see the palette for what it is, honey. Ooh. And lately, as you can tell, I've been liking to go a little bit pointage on my looks. Oh! So I'm trying to go a little bit pointage again. Is that the right word or not? But awkward. And obviously you can see I already pre-did my face because I wanted to save a little time. You know, I use my foundation and all that good stuff. Same thing with the crease underneath. As you see, I'm putting different colors. I ended up putting like 3 different colors in there. Ooh, and the center one I put like this beautiful gold, which it was beautiful. It made the whole eye pop for real. And then the little corner ended up putting like this cute blue edge color. Oh my god, honestly, in real life, it seems so much cooler and so much better than the colors were straight up popping. But even here, I like it, it's cute. Now, using my favorite liner pens from ColourPop, I use three different colors. I use the yellow in the middle, the purple in the corner, and the green. Look at that. Ooh, loves and everything. That's hot. So I was putting the highlighter right on I put it like all over my brow line because I just wanted to brighten everything up. I wanted to look very festive and cute. Oh! So I ended up doing my liner with concealer and then doing the black pen. I guess I find it easier this way since I'm barely starting, and I was proud of it. It was a little challenging, but they were cute. Ooh, look at those lashes. They're straight up popping. Oh! Okay, honey, and remember what I tell you with the highlighter. Well, I put it a little bit of my corner of my eyes. Ooh. Oh, I ended up going with the gold a little bit more too because I wanted to really show more, so I used a different one. And now remember with the highlighter, honey, you can see it from space. You're not doing it right. Now doing the lips and getting ready for the final look, beautiful. Muah. AKA loves it. Or more like, that's hot. Beautiful, and just like that, I'm done with the look, and let me tell you, I'm super, super, super happy with it. Look at that. Oh, I feel like I marry my shirt. Loves it. Honestly, the palette was so beautiful. OMG, the lashes, the shadows. Oh, even the highlighter, honey, was hella cute. This collection was definitely beautiful, so I recommend anyone to get it, honestly, because it was super fun to play with. The colors were so easy to blend. I literally has to go there like a couple little times, and wow, I love it. Anyway, sweet peas, thank you so much. Oh, but I forgot the most important thing. It's time to announce the winner of the giveaway. Oh! Alright, beautiful. So I got this cool app where this app can really randomly select the winner based on the comments. And I already checked if the person was subscribed to me. And the winner for this beautiful giveaway from Take Me Back to Brazil is Adriana Flores. Oh my god, well, congratulations, beautiful. Thank you so much for being such a supported fan. Oh my god, can I call you my friend? I guess so. So thank you so much for being such a supportive fan. You can see it, you are the winner, so congratulations. Please get in touch with me. You can contact me on my DMs on my Instagram and send me your address. Where can I mail it to you? I don't know if you live here in Sacramento, maybe I can deliver it to you, but thank you so, well, actually, just kidding, we're in quarantine time, so, we're in quarantine, so not really. But let me know and I will definitely mail that to you. Thank you so much, everyone. And congratulations to the winner, okay? And don't worry about it, this is not the first, neither the last time I'm gonna do a giveaway, so, oh my god. Alright, beautiful, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Mwah. Kisses and see you super soon here in Knowing and Enjoy. Oh!